Welcome to samaditech, your ultimate destination for cutting-edge tools and the latest in technology. Explore our expertly curated collections featuring innovative tools tailored to meet the needs of every project imaginable. Oneida Air Systems' ergonomic textured handle is equipped with a reversible tungsten carbide blade that maintains its sharp edge with minimal sharpening. It connects seamlessly to a vacuum cleaner hose, efficiently collecting chips, dust, and debris during use. This handle effectively removes old paint and scraped materials, making it perfect for cleaning wood, glue, wax, mold, and plaster, all while reducing post-work cleanup. It's particularly ideal for lead recycling projects when paired with a HEPA-certified vacuum cleaner. For optimal performance, it is recommended to scrape debris no thicker than 1/4 inch. DeWalt die cutting machine is a portable tool crafted for precise cutting, embossing, and pressing of leather goods. This device allows you to effortlessly create accurate shapes, apply intricate patterns, or emboss leather, and it also supports the use of molds for three-dimensional decorative designs. Constructed from premium stainless steel, it includes a high-density PVC board and a cutting mold. Its advanced needle bearing can endure pressure loads ranging from 2,200 to 3,300 pounds, while the board thickness is 5.9 inches with a pressure range of 10.2 by 4.7 inches. The integrated guide shaft, made from silicone manganese steel spring wire, enhances stability, and the asymmetrical bottom plate further boosts durability and performance. Premium Fischer DuoTec dowels with screws are engineered for secure installation in diverse materials like plasterboard, wood, and plastic panels. Featuring a lever mechanism, they provide dependable fixation even in challenging conditions. Their standard hole diameter and slim profile make them ideal for tight spaces, including insulation cavities. The durable gray nylon coating ensures uniform load distribution, reducing the risk of damage to the support material. Additionally, the versatile screw fixing accommodates various 6mm screws and hooks, offering flexibility for different applications. DEPSTECH Endoscope features 3 lenses and a 50-foot semi-rigid cable, allowing effortless access to hard-to-reach areas. Perfect for inspecting drains, car engines, wall structures, and HVAC ductwork, its triple-lens setup offers direct front and dual side views. The split-screen function lets you quickly adjust angles without twisting the cable. The 5-inch IPS display enhances both clarity and usability, while the ergonomic design ensures a comfortable grip. Powered by a rechargeable battery, it delivers up to 4 hours of operation, making it a practical and efficient tool for various tasks. Marshalltown QLT soft grip brick tongs are crafted to simplify the task of carrying heavy bricks. Made from durable black steel square tubing, this robust tool offers exceptional longevity and requires no maintenance. Its padded, ergonomic handle can be quickly adjusted to hold 6 to 11 bricks in a single hand, making it an efficient solution for maximizing productivity. Designed for prolonged use, these tongs save both time and effort during extended brick-carrying tasks. BOSCH Self-Leveling Crossbeam Laser Level provides an effective range of up to 50 feet, projecting both horizontal and vertical laser beams for precise alignment. With an accuracy of plus or minus 5/16 inch at 30 feet, it ensures reliable results for a variety of tasks. Its compact, ergonomic design features IP55 rated water and dust resistance, making it durable and user-friendly. The smart pendulum system self-levels automatically, alerting you to uneven surfaces with a flashing light and locking securely when powered off for safe transport. It operates on included 2 batteries or an optional Bosch 3.7 volts, 1.0 amp-hour lithium-ion battery sold separately. Wagner SprayTech is a versatile and powerful tool designed for wallpaper removal and surface cleaning without the need for chemicals. Using steam, it efficiently loosens even the toughest wallpaper by softening the adhesive layer, simplifying removal and preparing surfaces for renovation. The high-temperature steam detaches coatings without damaging walls, saving both time and effort. Its ergonomic design includes 2 steam plate sizes, allowing seamless use on horizontal and vertical vertical surfaces with even steam distribution. Heating up in just 12 minutes, the unit offers up to 2 hours of operation per tank, making it an ideal choice for DIY enthusiasts and professionals seeking reliable results. Maintaining a clean workspace during drilling can be tough, but the Klein Folding Ring Sawdust Collector simplifies the task. It's compatible with circular saws up to 6 and 3/8 inches in diameter and mandrels up to 1/2 inch in diameter. This two-piece design effectively captures debris as you work, made from thermoplastic elastomer and polypropylene. It combines flexibility and durability. The dust collector features a friction fit connection for the 3 most common vacuum hose sizes: 3/8 inch, 4/8 inch, and 6/8 inch in diameter, making on-site cleaning easy. It folds neatly and does not interfere with your circular saw's operation, offering efficient and hassle-free cleanup. Brady Portable Printer is a compact and efficient device for creating labels on the go. It features a durable reinforced case that protects against drops of up to 6 feet. Weighing only 1.65 pounds, it is lightweight and easy to carry. The device includes a small backlit monochrome display for clear visibility and supports both color and monochrome printing. Input is managed through a mechanical keypad featuring letters A to Z and numbers 0 to 9. Compatible with 90 cartridges, the printer can handle 12 different material types using advanced thermal inkjet technology. The package comes complete with a battery, protective case, AC adapter, and battery charger, making it a reliable and portable labeling solution.
Dewalt Organizer Tablet is a must-have for DIY enthusiasts. Its exterior features a convenient writing surface with an integrated 180-degree LED flashlight, ensuring clear visibility in any workspace. 2 sturdy metal clips keep important documents securely in place. Inside, the organizer includes a durable nylon compartment to neatly store papers, drawings, or manuals, helping to maintain order on the go. The tablet's automatic latch mechanism enables effortless one-handed opening, while a zippered interior pocket offers additional storage for smaller items. Designed for durability, the product is equipped with rubber corner bumpers, providing extra protection against wear and tear. Moreover, it seamlessly integrates with the T-Stack storage system, allowing users to attach it to T-Stack boxes for efficient organization and easy transport.
The REEKON M1 caliber is a perfect assistant for your miter saw, eliminating the need for manual measuring and marking and allowing you to work up to 3 times faster than traditional methods. It's compatible with nearly any miter, cutoff, or vertical band saw and easily manages angled, inclined, or straight cuts. The M1 caliber features a large backlit LCD display that shows measurements in both metric and imperial units. Installation is simple. Just attach it to the saw fence, release the lever, and enter the blade thickness. This tool measures boards, composite materials, pipes, and more with precision, not just a convenient add-on. The M1 caliber transforms the cutting process, enhancing speed, accuracy, and ease for all your measuring and cutting tasks.